Hi, I'm Charlotte Smith with Bladen Online. Thank you for joining us. Mary Kay Beauty Consultants Martha Warner and Stacy Kinlaw not only lead by example in class and beauty, but also in community service. We found the ladies giving gifts to the staff and residents at Elizabethtown Health and Rehabilitation Center in Elizabethtown on Thursday, just in time for Valentine's Day.
I'm Martha Warner. I am a Mary Kay sales director, and Stacy Kinlaw is a Mary Kay beauty consultant, and we work together in the same unit. And we're glad that you're here. This is the day the Lord has made, so we will rejoice and be glad in it. So I guess you could say Stacy and I were like the coordinators of this project. But as with any project, it takes a lot of people, it takes teamwork. So obviously what you see here is a lot of teamwork to make this project come to fruition. So why are we here? Why are the Mary Kay Beauty Consultants here? Well, Mary Kay Ash was our founder, and she founded our company on the golden rule, and she challenged us always to serve and to improve the lives of women and children around the world. That is our first calling. And so we love to sell products, we love to share products, but we first want to serve. And today, and of course this season of Valentine's, what better way to serve and to show love? So that's why we're here. Any time that we can serve is a great time. But like I said, Valentine's is the perfect time. You know, 3 things last forever: faith, hope, and love. And we know that the greatest of those is love. So we are to love and to be loved. And when we can receive love, that is one of the greatest feelings that we can have. We are better people when we can love and when we can share and when we can serve. And these residents need our love. You know, they have physical needs, and those are met. But you folks that work here every day, you provide more than just their physical needs. You are the people now, particularly the past year, that has provided the love. And I know their families are indeed grateful for what you've done. But you know, as workers, you need love too. Because you give every day. And this past year, you have given more than you probably ever have. You risk your own life to help these folks. And we know that your tank needs to be filled too. So we have gifts not only for the residents, but for all of you too.
Thank you.
And we just want to say thank you. And like I said, that is really why we're here today, is just to share the love. We want to fill your cups, fill your tanks for this new year, and we're just all very optimistic that things are improving, and we're going to have a great year. So we're celebrating you today, and I would like to also say, before we bless the gifts, say thank you to some people. First, I want to say thank you to Stacy. Stacy, being a beauty consultant in my unit, she has a heart not just for Mary Kay, but for this community and for her job and her profession. And when I first mentioned this to her, she jumped on it. She really was the one who initially made this project happen. Within 48 hours, thereabouts, had sold about almost 70 gifts of love. And that's because she loves, and people love Stacy, and they love you. And so it really just jump-started this project so quickly. And then we asked others to be a part of this project. So we had other local businesses to step in and say, yes, I want to help. We had 2 churches. I guess you could say our Cupid sponsor is George from Giorgio. So yay, Giorgio!
That's your favorite place.
And we all love George, and I cannot imagine what this community would be without Georgia, right?
Right.
And what better person that serves our community? You may or may not know, and I'm sure you probably do, but he's one of the most generous, kind people in our community, and he loves this community, and he supports so many things. So we're grateful for him and his business for being a sponsor. And like I said, I'm calling him the Cupid sponsor. And then we had a couple others, Miss Susan Inman and Miss Denise Cross, representing some other businesses in the community. We had two churches, the Bluefield United Methodist Church and Clarkton United Methodist Church. And they're under the leadership of Pastor Shannon Ross. So they really jumped in this past weekend and said, yes, we want to give and we want to help. So kudos to those two churches and to Shannon for her leadership in those churches and our community. And then there were countless others, individuals, who said, yes, I want to help. And perhaps they just bought one gift, but maybe they bought two or three.
Yeah.
But you know, that's what team is all about. It all comes together and they're all important. And each gift here at this table was given with love. So now we just want to give these gifts to you so that you can just feel the love and enjoy it.
It is so hard, and it makes you work that much harder to know there's somebody out there that's thinking about you.
Yes, ma'am.
And they have the love to spread to come in all these nice gifts for the staff and the residents first. The residents, they're going to enjoy them,
Yes,
I
they
do
will.
believe. So we thank you very much in behalf of Elizabethtown Healthcare and Rehab, and that y'all keep doing your good work.
Yes, thank you.
Keep doing it.